What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Ideogram subscription. So once you're inside your Ideogram account guys, and if you upgraded and you want to cancel, just simply click your profile on the lower left hand side, and from here you want to click on manage subscription. Now from here you will see on the upper right hand side manage billing. You want to click on that, and now from here you want to go ahead and click cancel subscription on the upper right hand side. Once you click on that, you will be notified that if you cancel your subscription, you still have the opportunity to use Ideogram with its current subscription until the end of that period or that month or that year, depending on how you have your subscription set up. So in this case, I have the basic one, and it's a 1 month subscription, and it will be ending on September 11. And so I can use this until September 11, but I will just not be billed for the next month. So all I have to do now is just simply click on cancel subscription, and as you can see, it's canceling right there, and it's done. So here I'm gonna go ahead and just say whatever reason I have to say. Can say I need more features or whatever it is, I no longer need it, which is the case, and then go ahead and click on submit. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.